Hello dear students, in this MySQL tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how to delete a record from a table. In previous video, we learned how to insert records in a table and how to update these existing records. For example, if you want to update a particular column value or cell value from a table, then we will use update command of MySQL. Today we are going to discuss how to delete a particular record from a table. So for example, if we have a table called EMP and there are multiple records in a table, and if we want to delete a particular record from that EMP table, then we will use this syntax: delete from table name. Here we will mention the name of table from which we want to delete a record, then where condition. This condition specifies which record of this table name will be deleted. For example, if you want to delete a record from our employee table having EID is equal to 104, then we will use this command delete, which is keyword for delete command, from. As we know, from clause always specify from which table we want to perform any operation. So here we want to perform a delete operation, so from EMP operation this deletion will take place. So delete from EMP, that means deletion will be performed on EMP table where EID is equal to 104. That means from employee table or EMP table, a record having EID is equal to 104 will be deleted. So to have a practical example of this, we will start our MySQL server, and as you know that password for this server is abc123, is same as our school lab. And now first of all I need to connect to a database where this employee table is existing. So to connect to a particular database, as we know that we will use command connect and database name. So my database name is mydb2. So now I'm connected to mydb2, so whatever operation now I'm going to perform will be implemented on database mydb2. For example, here I have an employee table, so to display all the records from employee table I will use select command that we have discussed in previous video how to use select command. So select star from table name EMP, and here we got the list of all these employees from 101 to 106. These 6 employees are there in our employee table having their fields like EMP ID, EMP name, department and salary. So in this way we have an employee table having 6 records. Now to delete a particular record from this table we will use delete table command, delete command. Okay, so syntax for delete command is here: delete from table name where field name is equal to value. That means this where condition will basically specify that which row of our table should be deleted. So here we are interested to delete this row having EID is equal to 104 and employee name is equal to Rakesh. So to delete this row we will use delete command in this way: delete from EMP where EMP ID. I'm using EMP ID here because here I'm using EMP ID since I'm using field name as EMP ID in our table. So EMP ID is equal to 104. So friends, here delete command is used in this way: delete from table name where EMP ID is equal to 104. So while pressing enter, this query is executed and a record having EMP ID is equal to 104 is deleted. To check it out, we will again display all the records of our existing table using select command. So here I type select star from EMP, and here you can see that a record having EMP ID is equal to 104 is missing. That means this record is deleted from our delete table command. Delete table command is used to delete a particular record from this table. Friends, here I would like to mention you I would like to tell you that it's not necessary that we should delete a record on behalf of EID only or a particular column only. We can delete a record on behalf of any particular column. So if you want to delete all records from computer department, then you can use this department column in where condition. For example, to delete all the employees from computer department we will use delete command in this way: delete delete from emp where department is equal to computer. So friends, here two rows are basically deleted, and these two rows are those where department is computer. To check it out, again we will display existing records of our table using select command. So select star from emp, and here we will see that records having computer department are missing here. That means these two records are deleted. So we can delete any record from our table on behalf of any column, but it should be we should be very careful while using where condition while deleting, that there must be a where condition. If you omit or if you remove where condition from your delete command, then this command will delete all the records of your table. For example, if I use a delete command without where condition, then it will remove or it will delete all the records of this table in this way. For example, delete from emp semicolon. I am missing where clause here which specify a particular row to be deleted. So while pressing enter, all the records of this table are deleted. If I want to display existing records of this table using select command, select star from emp, then you will see that empty set is returned. That means if you are using delete command without where condition, then this command will delete all the records of your employee table or any table. So be careful while deleting records. It's compulsory or mandatory to mention a particular where condition. For example, here emp id is equal to 104 is a where condition which specifies that only record having emp id is equal to 104 should be deleted, and other records will be retained there as it is. In second query, we are deleting records having department equal to computer. So only records having department computer are deleted, and all other records are existing here and retained here. But in this case, in third case where condition is removed, for example here I am using delete from emp and no where condition is here, and therefore this command delete all the records of your table. Thank you.